Hey everyone, and welcome to Aquifer's Crypto Alphas. Today we're going to have another look at Trashy. This meme coin has actually been on fire. It is well over 100x already and got a new all-time high of around about 970k. Yes, 970k. So we kind of first brought this to you when it was sub 100k market cap, probably even around about 100k market cap. So that is some insane gains, guys. So hopefully you kind of got on board when you saw my video and tweets out. Again, nothing in this video is financial advice, guys. There's a full legal disclaimer in the description below, so please make sure you kind of read that. So let's dive in and have a look at this explosive new meme coin that's kind of been live round about 12-13 hours at this moment, called Trashy by Matt Furie. So as we can see here, we've landed on Deck Screener, and we can see what a nice chart this is. And here we've got the all-time high up here, and then we're kind of starting to kind of like come back up a little bit. So currently at 611k, but the chart's looking lovely there, and I can imagine the next leg up is going to kind of push through 1 million at some point today. Again, nothing in this video is financial advice, it's just my own opinion, guys, but still lots of leg room left on this coin. I'd imagine I've described it in my first video as kind of being like a blue chip premium coin. It's because I've got that feel to it. It's kind of got a lot of care and attention taken to it. The website's really cool, which we're going to be looking at as well. So let's have a little look at the project, and then I've also got a little bit of a secret reveal to you guys as well, for some information about the project. So let's have a little look. So just going to go and have a look on the X profile here. So if you've not also done already, guys, come and follow me on Twitter. It's at Aquifer007. So that's where I kind of like post information about meme coins and also other coins of interest as well, and help and advice on crypto. So kind of definitely come and give that a follow, so you're not missing out on any alpha there as well. And also YouTube channel subscriptions really do help the channel grow, and also the meme coins and other coins I cover really does help them get some exposure as well. So kind of hit that subscribe button, please, guys, if you enjoy this video. So it's been out 13-14 hours, and we've already got 432 followers on board here, and we'll have a little look through. If you've been watching me for a little bit, guys, I like to see kind of an active X, lots of posts, not kind of dormant for massive periods of time. So last tweet out 29 minutes ago. That's pretty good. What we've got here, got the buy button, and they've been tweeting out fairly constantly, which is good to see. Yes, that is good advice, but not financial advice. Buy more Trashy. So come and give them a follow, guys, to stay up to date with the project. So it's at Trashy Sol, and then a little kind of underscore at the bottom there. So make sure you kind of get that. All the project's socials and relevant links will be in the description to this video as well, guys. So please make sure you kind of check those out as well. So let's go and have a look at the website now. So we looked at this a little bit yesterday, but what we've got now is kind of the updated buy button that goes off to Jupiter. So nice and easy to kind of onboard into the project. Again, always make sure you're using official links, guys. So kind of come to the website. We can see it's called Trashy by memecoin.com, and there'll be kind of links in the Telegram group as well. So make sure you're kind of using official links, so you're not buying like a duplicate token or anything like that. When tokens do become popular, then people kind of make up their own alternative versions and things like that. So it's always best to play safe and come to the website. So we had a little look at this the other day. So this goes off to like a comic book site. Just loading that up there, and it's called The Adventures of Trashy. So the idea is to kind of like release some pages and information every couple of days, or whenever it kind of best suits the project here. So click on that. So you can see a little bit about here, and some of the memes and kind of scenes in the project, and the pictures are kind of taken from the comic book as well. So it looks like there's 4 episodes already kind of penned, and I'm sure there'll be more episodes coming in the very near future as well, as we can kind of see here. Episode 2 coming soon, 3 and 4 as well. So come and check that out. It really does kind of like, you know, give a really good comic book vibe and a little bit extra to the project, I think. How to buy. Here we go, some information. And having a little look at the roadmap as well. So lots more things ticked off here. Twitter X 500, so that won't take too long to tick that one off. So close to 1 million market cap. I think 9.7 it got to, so you know, 30k off at 1 million, so that's pretty good. No mean feat for a new coin, and I'm sure these things will be kind of ticked off in the near future. So a little bit of a spoiler alert, guys, as I alluded to in the video. Merch store, the merch store has gone live, and I've got the exclusive reveal of some of the products we've got on there, which we'll look at in a little moment in time. And yes, there is some discounts to be had in the merch store, so stay tuned. And then here's some examples of the artwork and just kind of tying it in with other Matt Furie kind of characters and styles as well, which is really good. So again, that's why I think the coin's got so much potential. We do see at the moment there's kind of lots of kind of like trash themed meme coins as well, and also kind of linking into kind of Matt Furie and boys clubs and things like that. It's kind of like 2 in 1, so it's got double chance of doing really well. So I kind of really like this coin. How to join the community, Deck Screener, Telegram and Twitter X, so come and check those out there. A little bit of a video there, and I'm sure there'll be kind of more content added over the weeks and months going forward. So let's have a little look at the exclusive reveal of the merch store. So this will be getting tweeted out later, I understand. So first things first, guys. So there's 9 days left to get 25% off your shopping. So make sure when you come into the website, you click redeem there. And then if you're kind of buying anything, then it will get added on or taken off when you get to the checkout. So make sure it kind of takes off the 25%. But as soon as you click it there, every time I've done it, it always works. So let's have a little look at some of the things you can get. T-shirts, bags, aprons, mugs, hoodies, lots and lots of different products. So let's have a little look at a few different designs while we're here as well. So just go back to the start. And then we'll scroll down and have a little look at all the different designs. And then we click on this one, we'll be able to see all the different designs that are available. So quite a few there. So I quite like this one. Nice classic Trashy here. So say for example I wanted to kind of go and buy that on a t-shirt. Click on here, and then I can choose my size. I might go large, and I'll go, you know what, actually I want it in black. There we go. And then add to basket. Basket. And then we can click on that to redeem, and it's taken off €7 there as well. So that's a little look at the merch store. We'll have a kind of a quick look at a few other bits and bobs that they do. So we've kind of got mugs, bottles, coasters, all sorts. Yep, so come and check this out, guys. So there'll be a link in the description to this video. It's at trashymeme.myspreadshop.co.uk there, guys. So that's me done for today on this video. So hopefully you found it really useful. We've kind of looked at the merch store as well, which will be kind of going out later, and you know, where can Trashy get really, as it's kind of got here, he's on turbo boosters, rockets. The sky is the limit. I think this can do many millions. You know, you could get up to into the hundreds potentially. Only time will tell, but it's got a really good fun narrative, and it's kind of been put together with a lot of quality. So watch this space, guys, and again remember, nothing in this video is financial advice, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.